Hello team! Today we'll be going over building versus buying software, the different processes to choose from if we are to build, and the rationale behind our decision moving forward. The first software development process to go over is the waterfall system. It consists of the following 6 steps: risk analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Requirement analysis is when you go over everything needed for the project. During this phase, you'll document specifications, determine feasibility, go over any potential limitations, and create requirement understanding documents. System design is when you'll specify hardware and system requirements. This includes defining your overall system architecture and creating both a high-level and low-level design document. During the implementation phase, source code will be written per requirements. Systems are developed in small programs called units before integration. The next phase in waterfall is testing. The code will be tested for all possible defects, either by automation or manually. At this time, you'll want to involve your client to ensure all requirements have been met. Any flaws or bugs are to be corrected for quality assurance. The 5th phase of waterfall is deployment. This is when you'll integrate the project into a live environment. The software will become available to end users, and you'll train them how to use it. The final phase in waterfall is maintenance. This stage involves providing support and maintenance for the software deployed. You'll ensure everything runs smoothly and that any bugs are fixed in this stage. When it comes to buying off-the-shelf software, there are pros and cons. The pros include save time, vendor support, and evolving features. The cons are limited customization and a higher cost. There are pros and cons to building your own software as well. The pros are that you can create specific features to your business. You can integrate your new software with existing proprietary software. And you can highlight services only offered by your company. The cons are that it takes longer, you are your own support team, and all upgrades will have to be developed in-house. DevOps can be described as a set of practices that automates the processes between development and information technology teams. In order to implement DevOps support effectively, you need to prioritize making the DevOps cultural shift. That includes automating where you can, tracking metrics, and breaking down silos in the workplace. The second software development system we'll go over is Agile. Agile is made up of 6 phases: concept, inception, iteration, release, production, and retirement. The first phase of Agile is establishing your concept. This is when you'll identify opportunities, estimate workloads, prioritize objects, and determine what's feasible. The second phase in Agile is Inception. This is when you'll begin to identify team members, establish funding, discuss requirements, build a timeline, and appoint responsibilities. The third step in Agile is iteration/construction. This phase is where you'll start building software based on the given requirements. In this phase, you'll conduct quality assurance testing, training end users on the software, integration into the production, and gathering feedback. The fourth step in Agile is the release. This is where you'll finalize quality assurance testing, fix any lingering defects, finalize system documentation, and release it into production. The fifth step in Agile is production. This is where your team will give ongoing support to ensure your software runs smoothly and teach how to use it when necessary. This stage will continue until the point of retirement. The final stage of Agile is retirement. At this stage, you will perform all end-of-life activities. This includes notifying users of retirement, removing it from production, and potentially beginning migration to a replacement system. Our three options to choose from are waterfall, agile, or off-the-shelf software. This chart displays the expected time, cost, and savings that comes with each option. Similar cost and savings are expected with waterfall and agile, but agile will take less time. Off-the-shelf software will be the quickest solution, but cost more upfront and save less over time. The solution I have chosen to be the most appropriate for our needs is agile. It may take longer than buying software, but it will save us money in the long term and allow for customization that off-the-shelf software does not. Agile is a better option than waterfall because of faster feedback, improved time to market, and flexibility. This decision was made assuming several factors to be true. We are assuming that our development teams will stay together, remain engaged, and have minimal external dependencies or governance. We are also assuming that our customer will do their part by remaining actively engaged in the process. This concludes our presentation for today. For more information on any of the topics covered, you can check out the resources listed or feel free to reach out to my team directly. Thank you for your time and have a great day.